Hello, my dear friends. Today I'll share with you ancient Japanese beauty secrets that erase wrinkles, fade dark spots, and lift your skin, even at 70. Eggs are the star of these masks. The white tightens and smooths the skin, while the yolk nourishes and rejuvenates. Packed with proteins and vitamins, eggs boost collagen and make your skin firm, glowing, and youthful. 1 egg white. Half teaspoon of oatmeal. Oatmeal gently exfoliates, soothes, and softens the skin. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty recipes. Benefit: this mask tightens pores, smooths fine lines, and gives your skin a youthful tone. How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck, and hands with a soft brush or fingertips. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes until it slightly tightens. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use 2 or 3 times a week. Friends, write in the comments, where are you watching from? Second recipe: 1 egg yolk. 1 teaspoon of coffee. Coffee improves blood circulation and adds a natural glow. This mask brightens tired skin, helps reduce puffiness, and brings back radiance. How to use: apply to clean skin on your face, neck, and décolleté. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then cool water. Pat dry and apply moisturizer. Use twice a week for visible results. Third recipe: 1 egg white. One teaspoon of yogurt. Yogurt gently exfoliates and improves skin texture. This mask refines the skin, helps reduce pores, and enhances natural elasticity. How to use: apply a thin layer to your face and neck. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Use 2 to 3 times per week for visible results. Apply moisturizer afterward. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Fourth recipe: 1 egg yolk. A few drops of vitamin E. Vitamin E restores and protects the skin from aging. Benefit: this nourishing mask deeply hydrates, smooths wrinkles, and improves firmness. How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck, and décolleté. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Apply moisturizer afterward. Use 2 or 3 times a week. Fifth recipe: 1 egg white. Half teaspoon of collagen powder. Collagen helps tighten and firm the skin. This rejuvenating mask boosts elasticity and leaves your skin soft, radiant, and smooth. How to use. Apply evenly to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Follow with your favorite cream. Use 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. Sixth recipe. 1 egg yolk. 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe soothes irritation and hydrates the skin. This mask calms the skin, reduces fine lines, and promotes a youthful glow. How to use. Apply evenly to your face, neck, and hands. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool water. Use regularly for the best results, and make sure to subscribe for more beauty secrets. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.